Hey folks, how are you? Good afternoon. I'm gonna take a look at the markets right now, just do a daily video. So nothing crazy today. In fact, quite a boring session overall. Taking a look at the NASDAQ, we managed to regain the lows of yesterday's trading session, but not with a lot of conviction yet. Anyhow, we managed to regain the 5-minute uptrend and then sort of chop around in this sort of formation here. We're starting to catch a little bit of a bid now around the 281 on the SPY, but generally it's pretty choppy around the board. We've been seeing money kind of flowing out of the tech sector and coming into the financial sector, which was a little bit more bearish the last few days. Now we're seeing a little bit of a bid on the SPY, but I'm not going to buy into this just because we're in lunchtime and it's likely that it's just kind of stopping out some retail, but we could push higher, absolutely. In fact, we are in a 5-minute uptrend, so might as well continue up. I took a couple of scalps on the SPY, 2 winners and 1 loser, and the loser I managed to give back my 2 winners. And they were really tiny, so 11.25. I stayed in this trade for like a minute. You can see entered at 11.25, exited at 26, and I bought it at 72, sold it at 78, and then I did it again with the same option. Bought it at 70, sold it at 78. And then I tried a third time, and that time I failed. And the setup wasn't as good that time because there was a less likely chance that there was liquidity, and we were going right into 12 o'clock. So you can see this one was after 12 o'clock noon, and that's the one I said, you know what, I'm gonna get railed in this one if I hold on to it. And good thing I got rid of it because now it's trading at $40. So that's how we do it. You know, we have to a couple of long option scalps there. So the first one would have been right around here, and then selling it for a profit. And then the second one would have been right around here, selling it for a profit real quick. So in and out, in while the trade is kind of moving, and then out, selling it on the offer for a slightly higher price. These options expire tomorrow, and the goal with these types of trades, they're scalps. So they're not really meant to, you're not meant to stay in the trade. In fact, you're meant to get in at a low enough price on the bid, and then you're meant to sell it on the offer at a higher price. So you can see here, I paid a slightly lower commission on some of these trades because I was selling on the offer, adding liquidity to the market. So that's going to be about it right now. So take a look at the NASDAQ. Let's do a bit of technical analysis here. So you can see that we're in an hourly downtrend. And now we've regained the lows of yesterday. So in my opinion, as long as we stay above the lows of yesterday, we're still relatively bullish. If SPY can regain the hourly uptrend, then our daily higher low is most probably going to be set here. I sound like a broken record of Dan from the chart guys, but that's pretty much the stuff he talks about. So you can see we're making these higher lows on the daily chart. We're currently looking for a daily higher low to form on the NASDAQ and on the SPX, I believe. So we actually broke our higher low on the S&Ps, but we're slowly trying to regain it right now. So we're seeing people trying to buy the dip, and we'll see if we manage to go lower or higher. And really, at the end of the day, just trade wherever the liquidity is in the market. So if people are trying to buy the dip now, there's no follow through, we're likely going to head lower. If people are trying to buy the dip and we slowly grind higher, that could happen as well, because as you know, there's always people trying to short the SPX. And you know, they learn the hard way eventually. We'll see what happens really. Today's a bit of a slow day for me, so it's going to be a shorter video today, guys. So keep an eye on the big tech sector names, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple. I wish you a great day. All the best to you. Take care, bye.